Good day, everyone. Thank you for coming into this YouTube channel, Trade Live with Precise Trader. And today is actually will be a news trading, and this is a US session, 20th of December. Okay, do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose. Use your information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of your trade with your broker before you put in your trades. So, with that, I think we move on to our live analysis. Okay, the key data that is going to be out in another 30 minutes is we are going to get core retail sales month on month. Previous was 0.9 and forecast is 0.2. And retail sales month on month, previous was 0.4 and forecast 0.7. And also we are getting this US core PCI price index. Okay, previous was 0.3, market is expecting 0.2. Then we have from 2300 hours we have revised UM consumer sentiment. Okay, this is also previous is 74 and forecast is 74.1. So basically what the Canadian data is expecting is the Canadian data is expected the retail sales to be better than the previous month, and that's one of the reason why the dollar CAD has started to strengthen. So if we get as expected or slightly better than that data, then the dollar CAD should strike to weaken some more. That means dollar CAD would come out. That means Canadian dollars will strengthen. Okay. Then the core PCI price index month on month, if the data is better than expected, then we should see the dollar strength. Okay, dollar strength meaning dollar yen should go up, and the gold should come off, then euro dollar pound all should come down. Okay, so now let's see what is the signals we have given. Okay, we are trying to trade on the dollar cat data. Okay, so basically what we have given is, okay, right now the market is trading at 143.80 on the dollar cat. Okay, which is 143.81, and we are trying to sell at 144.20. Then the same thing, euro cat is selling at 150 and pound cat is selling at 180.45. Means to say that most likely we are betting, that means we are betting that the data to be come out to be bad. Okay, so if bad, then dollar cat should go up. Okay, dollar cat should go up. So most likely we feel that, okay, we may get, I mean, I'm not saying we are expecting, but most likely we are expecting a bad data, and that's why we are trying to go for a sell. So sorry. Then the PCI price index, okay, that is also we are betting that not say betting, we are trying to sell dollar yen at 15715 and gold at 26155, which means to say that this is like one good and one bad data. So that means like if the data came out to be bad, then gold should be going up, then our order should get filled. But on the other hand, if the data comes out to be good, then we may get the dollar yen going up and we do. So let's reassess these trades and to see whether we are going to so-called do any adjustments or let it work, because we have another 30 minutes, and at the same time we can see if we have any other opportunities also we can trade during that time. Okay, now let's see dollar cat first. Okay, let me go to the system. Okay, if you look into the dollar cat, okay, what has happened is we are getting weekly, that means weekly is in an uptrend above 142.45, and daily is flat with the upside bias, and the range is 143.05 and 144.70. Then the 360 is flat with an mixed bias, but the system is telling us is that the -4 and -5, we have seen two consecutive red candles, which means to say that there is a chance that okay, I'm sorry, there is a chance that we may have seen the high on the hourly, but of course we need to get confirmation and we need to see the price moving lower. So if let's say we scroll down to lower time frame, okay, 120 is selling down, 240 is saying down, and 60, 30, 15 all are flat. So that means the market is waiting for the news, and which is expected to be so-called, that means if the data, okay, what is going to happen is if the data comes out to be good, then we may see a continuation of this down move. But if the data comes out to be bad, then we may see a spike up, then eventually the market should be coming off. So as far as this the zone levels are considered, okay, we are seeing weakness on the daily, which means to say that okay, the market is already into the selling mode, and we should be looking for a sell or cautious sell. I mean, I wouldn't say it's sell and hold, but it's a sell or cautious sell. So then finally we go into the dashboard. Since we are we are going for a sell, so we need to concentrate on the high. So your previous day high was 144.70, and current day high was 144.40, which means to say that okay, this is making a lower high. So if we are right, if we expect the market to continue in the direction of what we are looking for, then we should not see the high beyond 144.25 and 144, because 144 already says that your 360 is already into your selling mode. So then market is expected to test the previous day low, which is 143.45, and if it breaks, then we may see the price moving towards 143.35 and 143.20. Okay. Sorry. Okay, so now let's go into the chart, then let's see whether this is a valid signal. Okay, so when we look into the chart, okay, I don't know you all are following us regularly. In fact, there's two things which we need to know. One is to see the selling signal or the time control. Then the next one is the trade control or trigger level. Okay, we call it. These two things we need to know. So at least we know what direction we are going to head and how we are going to see. So when we look into the system, I told you that we should not be expecting the high to be beyond 144.25 and 144.40. Okay, now when we look into this so-called, this is a selling I mean the signal level, which is saying this is right now, this is in a range, and right now this market is trading below the open, and we have another 50 minutes left on this time belt, so we expect the price to break lower, and the next support we expect is 143 45 or 50. So let's say the data come out to be uh, good. Okay, good, then we expect this dollar cat to uh, move lower from here. That means, if the data is good, then the market will start to move lower from here, break this low and continue and test this low, and if it breaks, then we may see the price heading towards 143.20. But on the other hand, let's say we get the data to be bad. That means market is expecting month on month to be 0.7, and the other one was 0.2. So if both the data comes out to be bad, or maybe one bad and one, it all depends on the value of that numbers what we are looking for. So then we may get a spike up. Okay, we may get a spike up, and the levels where we are looking for is 1 4 4 1 0. Okay, and okay, maximum is 25. Okay, 144 25. So I think the order we have given is 14420. Okay, I think this is a valid call. Okay, and we are trying to put a stop above the current day high, which is 144.40, which is also valid, and we are trying to exit before 143.60. Remember, we got to exit before 143.50. So I think this is a valid call for dollar cat. Okay, now next the same scenario we also tally with the euro cat. Okay, euro cat is the same scenario. If the data is bad, then we might get a spike up. Okay, spike up should be 4980 to 4995. Okay, and let me see, yeah, 80 or 95. And if the data comes out to be good, then we expect the market to break lower, and this low has to break, then we should see the price heading towards 149. Okay, let me check on the system. Then okay, 149 is good. Then the other one is 149, or we should see the price above this level. Okay, 149.30. So what we have given is the order is 1500. Okay, so maybe what I want to do this on is your current day high is only 4960, and previous day high is 5020. So we may want to lower it. Okay, we may want to lower it. Okay, we lower it to 4985, 5015 and 4935. Okay, 35. So this is again, this valid is for another 45 minutes. Okay, 45 minutes, and we will see what is the figure. Then after that we decide what to do or how to adjust the levels. Normally we do pre-announcement and post-announcement. Okay, so this is how we put in the trades. Okay, the next we are looking at pound cat, which is selling at 80.45, stop at 80.75 and TP at 79.70. So the one, let's see on the chart. Okay, the chart here, if we look into the signal call, I mean the signal level or time control says is up. So this is expected to go in either test this high, or it can go up to an extension of towards this level, which is 80 uh, 8050. Okay, 8050. Okay, then if if we see this price 8050, then the fallback should be 8020 should be the support. Okay, so your current day high excuse me, is 8020. That means it's trading near the current day high. So overall, if you look into this uh, trend, okay, right now this is more or less, this is trying to take a base. So most likely either it should come down from here, or we should see the market turning up from here. So either one, is applicable. So now what we have put in is, we have given a sell call at 8045 and stop at 8075, and TP is 7970. Okay, this is again, this is the data is expected to be bad, then we can get Canadian dollars going up. So what we can do now, we can raise it to 55. Okay, stop at 80, and the TP also we raise it to 80005 or 8010. Okay, so this is again, this is expected to last for another 45 minutes. So we have adjusted pound CAD, we have adjusted euro CAD, and dollar CAD. I think we didn't do any adjustments, let it work. Now we look into the gold and the dollar yen. So now the gold and dollar yen, if the core PCI price index, okay, if the data comes out to be exceptionally good, then we should see the dollar yen going up. Okay, dollar yen going up. So sorry, if it's going up. So if you look into the signal and the trigger level, so the signal level is, we should not see the price going above 157.30. Okay, then let me see. Okay, 157, 15695 and 15715 are the selling levels. Since dollar yen is quite sensitive to data, dollar yen and gold, so we prefer to put it slightly higher, which is 157 15 or 20. So then on the other hand, we have not seen the low yet. Okay, we have not seen the low yet, so we may see the price heading towards okay, your current day low is 5660 and is trading near the low. So if it breaks, then I think we should see the price moving towards 15625 or 30, the minimum. Okay, so now we have given a sell call at 15715 and 15745 as stop, and 15620. So probably we may want to raise the 20 to 30 or 40, because there is a strong support at 20, 25 and 35. My sincere apologies because I'm getting a bad cough and it's not trying to cover it, but unfortunately I'm making the mistake. Okay, I'm very sorry for that. Okay, now let's go back into finally the gold. Okay, gold we have given a sell call at 2615, 19 half and 2601, and this is a half lot trade we have put in. So right now the market is 2604. Okay, so let's see on the system what should be our call. Okay, so if we go uh, into the system, okay, sorry, your current high, okay, your current high is 2607 half, current day high. Okay, you see on the green, this is your current day high, and your current day low is 2590, which is also higher than your previous day low. So that means today is making a higher low and lower high. Okay, higher low and lower high. So if we see that 26707 half breaks, then we should see the price heading towards 13 half, 18 half, or max at 22. So these are the three levels what we are looking for, based on the system, right? So this is the levels we are looking for. So now let's go and see the chart. Okay, as what we have seen now, the market has not seen the the correction is still not over yet. Okay, this is what we feel. The correction is not over yet. So which means to say that it may push higher towards either 1920 or extension of this level, which is 13 or 14. So what we do is, okay, we will try to change the order. So right now the market is 2603, so we'll try to reduce this to 13 half, and this is a half lot, so we'll try to go for 19 half as top, and TP will try to exit at 2602. This is again expiry at 2200 hours, so we still have another half an hour left on this time belt. Okay, now what we can do is we can put in one more trade to sell at 18 or 19, and that can be an one lot. But what we will do is we will try to okay, let's see. I think we will put in the order, then later we'll see, we'll need to see any adjustments, then we will do the adjustments. Okay, 2618 half, 2623, because remember the high should be lower than yesterday's high. Yesterday's high is 2626 half. Then 2602 again, or lower. And this one I think we'll go for one lot. Okay, this one will go for one lot, since this is about $15 away. Okay. Sorry. Okay, now, so these are the orders we are going for news trading. So one sell Canadian dollars, one sell euro CAD, one sell pound CAD, and one sell dollar yen, and two gold sell. Okay, one is a half lot, and another one is a full lot. Okay, this is the pre-announcement orders. So for those of you who are coming in first time into our session, okay, I'll just tell you the rule of the game. Okay, the rule of the game is when the data is out and when we get a spike in either direction, that means the spike would happen depending on the data. If the data is bad, then we will get in one direction. If the data is good, then we may get in another direction. So if we get a spike in either direction, then we will see how to go about. But the rule of the game is only two things. Okay, one is you have to take note that if the data comes to be as expected, we may not get any movement. So on that note, we will try to enter the market. Okay, then I'll tell you, you go for a sell, then you go for, and you'll just concentrate one or two crosses. Okay, hit the market, your reaction time must be very fast. So when I say hit the market, then you just sell at the market and we put a stop. Okay, and this is for the data. If there is no movement or the data comes out to be as expected, then the market doesn't move, then we will try to go. Then the next thing is if let's say we get order, okay, we get order filled, okay, maximum we are going to give this trade is 15 minutes. Okay, that means if the trade goes against us or even the order get filled, if let's say the order is in the verge of approaching our price, then we may have to revise the price slightly higher or lower depending on the market movement. But the rule of the game is we have to give maximum 15 minutes for that shock which we are going to get it from the market. Then we go according to that. So if that 15 minutes nothing happens, then even there is no trade taken or no order filled, then I'll just say that okay, this trade is going to last for another 30 minutes, let it work, then after that we see what we want to do, then we can go about. Okay, so especially news trading, okay, I strictly advise you to stick to the rules. There's two ways which we can do. That means when the market gets a shock, it lasts for 15 minutes, then after that the market may turn in the direction. So this is one possibility. Another possibility is if let's say the market is in the continuation of the trend, it may continue for the next 1-2 hours. So that one I'll tell you, what is to be expected and how we can manage the trade and how we can go about. Okay. So now, good luck to you. We have 1 minute left, and we'll see what happens. Then I'll tell you what to do. Then we will see. So sorry, I'm getting a very bad cough. I don't know this. Okay, we have 30 more seconds. Okay, 20 seconds. So okay, so 10 seconds. Let's see what is the data. Then after that, we will give a couple of minutes to analyze the data. Then we'll see, unless if our order get filled, then we do. Otherwise, we don't. I'll tell you what to do. Okay. Okay. Canadian data, core retail sales month on month is bad, and retail sales month on month is slightly came out to be bad, which is also 0.6. Then the core PCI price index is also bad. Okay, so if the core CPI data is bad, then PCI price index, then I think the dollar weakness should be seen. Okay, dollar weakness should be seen. So let's see how is the market trading. Okay, gold is quiet. Okay, gold is quiet, and okay, euro is pound is moved up. Okay, pound is moved up. Dollar yen is moving down. Dollar yen is moving down. So I think the dollar yen is going to continue lower. Okay, since dollar yen is seen. Okay, let me tell you. Okay, the gold. I think the gold we can give time. Okay, we can give time 15 minutes to order get filled. So the dollar yen. Okay, what I can suggest to you is we can sell at, try to sell at 60. Okay, 15660. Okay, try to sell at 60. Stop at 85 and TP at 25 or 30. Okay, put in this order. Okay, quickly put in this order. Okay, try to sell at 60 because I don't know whether we can get it. Okay, we are expecting this weakness to continue, and I don't know whether we get filled, but the target we are expecting is at least 15620. Okay, we should be seeing the price moving towards how shall I say, one 15620 or even 156. Okay, now the next thing is the dollar yen is expected to go lower. Okay, the gold, let's see. Okay, let's see, we can hit our price entry. Okay, because if it goes up, then eventually the gold should come down. Okay, should come down. um, right now is 2606, and I think it doesn't have much strength. um, okay, maybe it may get rejected at 11. Okay, it may get, but like as I told you, we have to give 15 minutes for this movement to complete or let it finish. So we give 15 minutes. If the movement came out to be fast, then I think we should be able to get the order filled. But since the market is a bit slow, so we will give more time to that. Okay, one more thing is I think we are getting our pound order get filled. Yeah, it is already filled. 12550. We have shorted pound. Okay, this is a day trading call which we have given in the morning. Okay, this was created at morning 11 a.m. So this is going to be almost like 12 hours since we have created this order. Okay, so if you can see that order, this order was created during that time. Okay, okay. Let's see the pound. Okay, let's see whether we need to make any adjustments, or we want to uh, hold the trade or close the trade. So here there's two things which we need to look. Okay, one is the time control. The time control meaning how long this strength can last. Okay, this is the one. And the next thing is, of course, the trade control or trigger level, which is a buy. So if you ask me, all I can see is this strength should be lasting for another 20 more minutes, 24 minutes. Okay, another 20 minutes. Then after that, we should see the market coming down. Okay, the tricky part here is, okay, this might be the low, major low, or the market may uh, start to break and move lower. So to know that answer, okay, we have to look for higher time frame, which is indicates that the market is already a failure and pulling back towards the range. So if that's the case, our TP is wrong. Okay, our TP expecting to be towards 2405. That one has to be changed to 2505. Okay, 2505 or 2510. So what we are going to do is, okay, this is a one lot trade we have done, and we are going to revise the price because today is Friday, and also what we will do is we will try to see where is the next resistance level. Okay, we have next resistance level is 12575. Okay, I think should be okay. I think should be okay. So we have revised this level, and what we are we are expecting is we should not see the price going beyond, okay, beyond 65 or 75. We should, the price should get rejected, somewhere at 65 or 70. So we'll give another another 7 more minutes. Remember, I told you we got to give 15 minutes for this time to finish it. Okay. So that's about it for the pound. Then dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen. I think the 50 order got filled. Okay, I don't know whether your side that 50 got filled. So how I'm going to manage this trade is, okay, I just go into the 1 minute chart. Okay, as long as the price doesn't go above 70, I would still want to hold this trade. So 70, let me see your 15-minute high. Yeah, 70 or 71, 72. So what we can do is we lower the stop. Okay, just now was okay, but I forgot to tell you that this should be a half lot. But anyway, we have already entered, it's fine. So we will put it as 70 or 70 or 71. So it just have to be about 1-2 pips higher than 70. So if we are able to get this thing, okay, give another 6 more minutes, then we will see. And again, when we look into the chart, okay, we look into the chart, as long as this is within the range and below this level, we should not worried about this, because eventually this price is expected to continue for another, how long did I say this, yeah, another 20 more minutes, or maybe 2 hour 20 minutes, so either one. So the only thing is, if it's a false break, then we get stopped out, then I think it's fine, because I think we have taken an attempt, and if we don't get it, then I think it's okay, we'll just come back and try to get back on track. Okay, then pound. Okay, so now it's coming off a bit, So let's I think this one I want to exit before 5:10. 5:10 you try to exit. Okay. So this is for pound. Okay. Then the gold. Okay, gold has got no strength. So what we expect is we should not expect the price to go beyond 13. Okay. Then for the next couple of hours, it should be trading between 2613 and 25. Hold on. 2598 or 95. And let me see today closing, whether is it expected to close high or low. For that, I don't think I have an answer, because I think this is going to be a very tight range, and this should be closing within this levels. So I don't see, I don't see, excuse me. Sorry. Okay, I don't see any big movement happening on um, this gold. Okay, so I think with that I end this session, and good luck to those guys who have taken the trade. I think pound is making about 10 pips, and yen is losing about 6 pips. And this all these orders will be cancelling in another 15 to 18 minutes. So the only thing is um, dollar yen cancel, pound cad and pound euro cad is in the verge of filling. Okay, so pound, yeah, just now the pound has gone up, right? Yeah. So let it work. Let's see, if get filled, then let it work. Then the gold, maybe, okay, maybe I may want to extend this time. Okay, maybe by another 1 hour, because we didn't expect the move. I mean, the move didn't happen as expected. So we'll try to increase the time by 1 hour, then the 18 half by another 1.5 hours. So these are the changes we are doing after the announcement, post announcement. Normally, this is what we do: either we adjust the levels, or we adjust the time, or we cancel the trade. Okay, so anyone. So now I think gold is now just starting to creep higher. Okay, starting to just creep higher. So let's see what happens. Okay, so you just manage the trade, and then maybe you'll know the results in 1 to 2 hours. Okay, thank you. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you again next week. For those of you who are coming in first time, what I would suggest is, I mean, like, our system is a very unique system, and we have been working on this system for more than 20 over years, and now we are ready to share with the public. So if you are interested, of course, we can share our knowledge and experience on this market, and how we can go about it. Okay, so this prices, all you see is all it's programmed in such a way that it moves live on live prices. So whenever the market there is any change, you'll get a change happening, and we can move on in that manner. Okay. Okay, thank you. See you again on Monday. Okay, Monday, yeah, Monday. I think Tuesday is Christmas Eve. So Monday, I think I'm not sure whether we would be having market outlook. So maybe you just wait for the updates. So if we have a market outlook, then we can start working. Then after that, I think we may want to give you the projection for the next year. So that would be something to look forward to. So we will try to work on what is to be expected on all the markets for the next year, and start the new year with proper guidance and expectations. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Good night. See you again next week. Bye.